Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this video we are going to be learning how to contact Airbnb support. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. Right now, as you can see, you have the application Airbnb. Simply head over to that, and once you are here you can see we have this map going on in here. We need to head back. So you can see we are now on our home page, and now we need to head over to our profile from the bottom right side of our screen. So once you head over to that, you can see if you scroll a little bit down, you have this support section in here. So you can simply visit the help center or get help with a safety issue from here, or you can see you have other options as well. If any of these doesn't work for you anyhow, you can simply head over to your browser of your choice, and there you can simply type in here contact Airbnb, and it will probably give you with a number. So you can see a number just popped up. You can simply call on that and a customer service will be showing up. So that's how you can simply contact Airbnb support if you have any issue, and it will probably fix your issue. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.